Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to determine the speed of light. We all know the value of speed of light, is it not? So the value is 3 into 10 power 8. That value is being determined with the help of the method which we are going to see now. The light travels with the highest speed in the vacuum, and the speed of light in vacuum is what? 3 into 10 power 8. Yes, and that is going to be determined with the help of Fizeau's method to determine the speed of light, and the apparatus used by the Fizeau for determining the speed of light is shown. The light from the source was first allowed to fall on a partially silvered glass plate. So first, from any source, the light is made to fall on a partially silvered glass plate, and then from the glass plate it is made to fall on the wheel, and this wheel is said to be a toothed wheel. Okay, so it is said to be a toothed wheel because it has number of teeth like structure in it. Okay, so a number of projections like this, and so it is said to be a toothed wheel. Okay, and then it is made to fall on the mirror. Okay, so first, light from the source was allowed to fall on the partially silvered glass plate kept at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, so from the incident light, from the incident it is made to fall on the glass plate. That glass plate is being made to be at angle of 45 degree. Then the light then allowed to pass through a rotating toothed wheel. As I told you, it has a toothed wheel with n teeth and n cuts. Okay, so this is said to be teeth, and in between this space, that is said to be cuts. Okay, so it has n teeth and n cuts of equal width, whose speed of rotation could be varied through external mechanism. So using the external mechanism we can vary the speed. Okay, then the light passing through one cut in the wheel will get reflected by the mirror m kept at a distance of about 8 meters. So about 8 meters distance one mirror has been placed. Okay, so from the mirror it gets reflected. Okay, if the toothed wheel was not rotating, so this happens only when the wheel is rotating. Suppose if the wheel is not rotating means, then the reflected light from the mirror would again pass through the same cut and reaches the eye. So however it is, here there are the cuts, is it not? If suppose that wheel is not rotating, then the reflected light will pass through the same cut and reaches the eye of the observer. Okay, through the partially silvered glass plate. Okay, so this is a experimental arrangement of this. So this gives the diagram for this experimental arrangement. So light from a source, it is made to pass on the glass plate. From the glass plate, it falls on the toothed wheel, and from that, it is made to fall on the mirror, which is placed at a distance of what? 8 kilometer. Okay. Then from this mirror, if the toothed wheel is not rotating, then it is reflected back along the same path and it reaches the eye of the observer. Okay. So it has n tooth and n cuts. Clear with this? Okay. Now, when you consider the distance traveled, it travels from this point to here. Again, it is traveling along the same direction. So, one distance we can take it as d. Since it is traveling along the same distance, we can take this value to be d plus d. So, this becomes as 2d to be the distance. Okay. Then let us get the expression for the speed of light. Okay, so for finding the speed of light, we are going to take the formula for velocity. What is the formula for velocity? Is it is distance divided by time taken, is it not? As I've told you just now, the distance is what? 2d, because it is going and also the return the same distance, and so we are taking as 2d. So v is equal to 2d divided by t. Here d is said to be the distance and time taken is t for the light to travel to and fro is calculated, and the angular speed omega, that has been calculated from the wheel, because the wheel is being rotated, is not? From that we can find the angular speed, and so we get the equation for angular speed, which is omega is equal to theta divided by t, because angular velocity is equal to what? Angular displacement divided by time taken, is it not? So angular displacement divided by time taken. Here the angular displacement is denoted by theta divided by t. So this gives your angular velocity. Then for finding out with the value of theta, the formula is total angle divided by number of teeth plus number of cuts. Already we have seen that how many number of teeth? N number of teeth and N number of cuts in the tooth wheel, is not? And so N plus N, it is 2N. Total angle is, it is rotating in the circular path. So if it is rotating in the circular path, the angle is what? 180 plus 180. So which is equal to what? 360. Is it not said that 360 can be written as 2 pi. So 2 pi divided by 2n. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So we get theta is equal to pi divided by n. Okay. So this gives a value of theta, which is the angle between the tooth and the slot. Now substituting the value of theta in the formula of omega. Omega is equal to what? Theta divided by t, is it not? Now substituting the value of theta in this, pi divided by n, bring this n down so that we get omega is equal to pi divided by n of t. From this, take t to the numerator and bringing omega down, we get t is equal to pi divided by n omega. So we have got the formula for t, which is pi divided by n omega. Now using this formula in the first equation. So what is the first equation we saw is V is equal to 2D divided by T, is it not? In this, substitute the value of T here. So it is pi divided by n omega. This n omega goes to the numerator. So we get V is equal to 2D n omega divided by pi. So all the values are known because D is the distance traveled by the light, n is what? The number of turns in the tooth wheel, and omega is the angular velocity, and pi we know that is a constant value, which is equal to what? 3.14, is it not? So substituting all these values, we get the value of V, which is the speed of light, and that speed of light is found to be 3 into 10 power 8. So using this Fizeau's method, we are able to determine the value of the speed of light. Clear with this?